Howdy ho, neighboritos. It's time to fix that downspout at the end of your gutter. No, not that one, but this one on your RV. This could come across as intimidating because you don't want to start a leak. But don't worry, I'm going to hold your hand through this one. And more than that, I won't tell anyone. The first thing that you'll notice is that the souvenir-sized gutter has screws on the side. Unscrew the last screw, which is closest to where the downspout will go. Using a knife, you can carefully score a line around the gutter. Pop in a prying tool like this 5-way in order to lift it from the surface just slightly. If there's a broken downspout already there, well, now's the time to pull it out. Using lacquer thinner or acetone with a rag, clean the surfaces around the end of the gutter and even behind it if at all possible. When excess old RV sealant is removed from the seams that you cut with your knife, you can pry up that gutter again slightly. This time we're going to squeeze a sealant called Proflex RV behind the gutter to make a watertight seal. After which we can insert the hot new downspout. Hopefully you'll see some excess Proflex RV sealant squeezing out the edges, especially where the screw hole was. Finally, seal the edges of the gutter and downspout with your sealant and use your finger, wet with the same cleaning chemical you used, to make clean sealed lines. Following this method may result in unexpected romantic attention. Check out our full sister video to this where we literally replace all the exterior trim in the back of the RV. We'll show you all the best methods for getting it done and eradicating all your leaks. You owe it to yourself. Click that link. And do all that other YouTube-y stuff we love, like leaving a hilarious comment below, not about me, or even liking this video. Yada yada yada, yeehaw!